Okay, McTickling or hybrid picking part 2. Have a Avis 41. Have a the Zeeper, the Reaper Z-Bar and 40. Take the McTickler, get in there, do some McTickling. Reset. McTickling. So you get to a full set. Find your binders. Your binder. Work off the warding, not the Z-bar. And should pop it open. See if we can give that a go again. So 4100, 40,000 Z-bar. Get that guy in there just right. Get the McTickler in there. Do some McTickling to a full set. Sometimes you gotta use the back peak. You get a little jammed up. McTickle again to a full set. Get that binder. Should